Saving money when you have a low income can feel impossible. Imagine a single parent juggling rent, groceries, and school supplies, barely making it to the next paycheck. This is the reality for millions of people around the world. High costs and unexpected expenses make it hard to save even a small amount. Yet, building savings is important for emergencies and future goals. The good news is that, with the right approach, saving is not only possible but also manageable. This video will show you simple, effective ways to save money even on a tight budget. From changing how you think about money to practical tips that don't require big sacrifices, you will learn that saving can be easier than you think. Let's explore how to make the most out of what you earn and build a habit that can change your future. Number 1. Understanding the challenges. Many people with low incomes face challenges that make saving money difficult. The cost of living is high, and prices for things like rent, food, and gas keep going up. Even small, unexpected expenses, like a medical bill or a car repair, can take up a big part of a paycheck. This leaves little to no money left for saving. Another problem is the stress that comes from living paycheck to paycheck. Constant worry about making ends meet can make it hard to think about long-term savings. People often feel stuck, believing that saving money is only for those with higher incomes. Statistics show that many people don't have enough in savings to cover emergencies. For example, a survey may show that a large percentage of people have less than $500 set aside for unexpected costs. This creates a cycle where, when an emergency hits, they have to rely on credit cards or loans, which leads to more debt. Understanding these challenges is important to finding solutions. Knowing the reason saving is hard helps to find better ways to manage money. In the next sections, we'll explore practical steps to overcome these obstacles and start building savings, even with a tight budget. Number 2. The psychology of saving. Changing your mindset. Saving money is not just about math. It's also about mindset. Many people with low income struggle with what experts call a scarcity mindset. This means always feeling there's never enough money. When you think this way, it's easy to feel stuck and give up on saving altogether. The good news is that changing your mindset can make a big difference. Start by setting small, realistic goals. Instead of trying to save hundreds right away, begin with a few dollars each week. Seeing even a small amount grow can build confidence and show that saving is possible. Visualization can help too. Picture what you want to achieve, like an emergency fund or money for a future need. This makes saving feel more real and worthwhile. Also, remind yourself that saving isn't about cutting out everything you enjoy. It's about making small adjustments and finding balance. Celebrating small wins is key. When you reach a small savings goal, recognize that achievement. It motivates you to keep going and build better habits over time. Changing your mindset from "I can't afford to save" to "I can save something, no matter how small," is the first step to making saving a regular part of your life. Number 3. Budgeting basics that don't hurt. Budgeting is a powerful tool for saving money, even on a low income. The goal is to make a budget that is simple and easy to stick to. One method to try is a modified version of the 50/30/20 rule. With this rule, you spend 50% of your income on needs, like rent and groceries, 30% on wants, like small treats or entertainment, and save 20%. If 20% is too much to start, aim for even 5 to 10% and build from there. Start by tracking your expenses for a month to see where your money goes. This will help you find areas where you can cut back. For example, if you buy coffee every day, try making it at home a few times a week. These small changes add up. Budgeting doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It means you plan how to spend your money so you have some left for savings. There are many free apps and tools like Mint or a NAB, You Need a Budget, that make budgeting easy. They help you track spending and set limits so you don't overspend. The key is to make your budget flexible and realistic so it's easy to follow without feeling restricted. Number 4. Frugal hacks. Small changes that add up. Small changes in how you spend money can make a big difference over time. These frugal hacks are easy to start and can help you save more each month. Meal prepping is one of the best ways to save money on food. By planning your meals and cooking at home, you avoid expensive takeout and reduce food waste. Buy groceries in bulk when items are on sale, and choose generic brands. They often taste just as good as name brands but cost less. Cutting down utility bills is another smart move. Turn off lights when you're not using them and unplug devices that draw power even when off. Small habits like these can lower your electricity bill over time. Negotiate your bills whenever possible. Call your internet or phone provider and ask for better rates. Many companies are willing to offer discounts if you ask. DIY solutions can also save money. Learn simple home repairs from free online videos to avoid service fees. Even making homemade cleaning products using items like vinegar and baking soda can cut costs. These changes might seem small, but when you add them up over a month or year, they can lead to significant savings. Number 5. Earning extra income in creative ways. Finding ways to earn extra income can help you save more, even on a low income. You don't need to spend money to make money. There are simple ways to earn extra cash with little or no investment. Freelancing is a great way to start. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or tutoring, you can offer these services online. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork connect you with clients who need short-term projects done. Even simple tasks like data entry or helping someone with small assignments can add up to extra income. Online surveys and mystery shopping are also options. While they won't make you rich, they provide small, easy earnings in your spare time. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for your opinions. Participating in research studies or focus groups is another creative way to earn. Universities and research companies often pay people for their time and feedback on new products or studies. Finally, if you enjoy hobbies like crafting or making art, consider selling your creations on platforms like Etsy. Turning your hobbies into side income not only helps you save, but also makes the process enjoyable. Even a few extra dollars a week can make a big difference over time. Number 6. Automating your savings. Automating your savings can make saving money simple and stress-free. When you automate, your bank or a savings app moves a set amount of money from your checking account to your savings account without you having to do anything. This makes saving feel effortless because you don't need to remember or make the choice each time. Start by setting up an automatic transfer of a small amount, like $5 or $10 each week. It might not seem like much, but over months and years, it can really add up. Apps like Digit or Acorns can help you save even more by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and saving the difference. Automating savings works because it takes away the temptation to spend that money. It also builds the habit of saving, turning it into something you do without thinking. This simple step can make a big difference in reaching your savings goals. Number 7. Community and support. Leveraging local resources. Using local community resources can help you save money and stretch your budget. Many neighborhoods have resources like food banks and thrift stores where you can get food, clothing, and household items at low or no cost. This helps you save money that can go into your savings. Check out community centers or local libraries for free workshops on financial literacy, job skills, or budgeting. These workshops teach valuable skills that can help you manage money better and find extra ways to earn. Public assistance programs, such as help with utility bills or free health services, can also reduce monthly expenses. Don't be afraid to use these resources. They are there to help people make ends meet. Connecting with support networks or talking to a financial counselor at a community service center can give you personalized advice. Leveraging these resources can make saving money easier and lighten the stress of managing a tight budget. Number 8. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle can help you save money and improve your well-being. Minimalism is about focusing on what you truly need and letting go of things that don't add value to your life. This doesn't mean you have to give up everything, but it does mean being more thoughtful about your spending. Start by looking at your home and removing items you don't use or need. Sell or donate them, and use the money you make to boost your savings. Before buying something new, ask yourself if it's really necessary or if you can use what you already have. Living with less helps you save money because you buy fewer things and avoid clutter. It also reduces stress and makes your space feel more peaceful. Minimalism shifts your focus from buying to enjoying what you have and saving for experiences or future goals instead. Saving money, especially on a low income, takes time and patience. It's important to remember that saving is a marathon, not a sprint. Even if you start small, like putting aside just a few dollars each week, it adds up over time. The key is to be consistent and not get discouraged by slow progress. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Understand that building savings is a journey, and the habit of saving regularly is what leads to success. With patience and steady effort, you'll see your savings grow and feel more secure about your financial future. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.